everyone, welcome to SJ Infinity. In the previous video, we studied about simple statement, compound statement and logical connective. Now let us study the logical connectives in detail. The first logical connective is and the other name given to it is conjunction. Let us see the definition of conjunction. If two statements are combined using the connective and, then it is called a conjunction. Here I am giving you 3 points. In that, first point is how conjunction is denoted. In the second one, how it is read. And in the third one, I am giving you some example. Okay, let us see how conjunction is denoted. It is denoted by writing the symbol between P and Q. This is read as P conjunction Q or P and Q. And the example is mango is a fruit but potato is a vegetable. Already I said in place of and, some other words can also be used, but can also be used. Here we can see two statements. One is a mango is a fruit and the other one is potato is a vegetable. I am representing this mango is a fruit by letter small p and potato is a vegetable by small letter q. Hence the solution is P and Q. Okay. Now here we have truth table for conjunction. Truth table means here we have two statements P, Q, and in the third column we will be having P and Q. Okay. Already I have taught you what is the truth value, true and false. Here we have 4 possibilities: true, true, false, false. And in Q, true, false, true, false. Then what will be in the third column? True and true will be true. True and false will be false. False and true will be false. And false and false will be false. Okay. Only if both P and Q are true, the conjunction becomes true, otherwise it is false. The second logical connective is disjunction. Here, if two statements are combined by using the logical connective or, then it is called a disjunction. It is denoted by P or Q. It is read as P disjunction Q or P or Q. Coming to the example, milk is white or grass is green. Here we have two statements. First one is milk is white. The second one is grass is green. It is separated by or. Okay, so let us consider P as milk is white and Q as grass is green. So the solution is P or Q. Now the truth table for disjunction. Here also we have 3 columns. In the first one P, second one Q, but in the third column you will be writing disjunction. P disjunction Q. Okay. The possibilities for P and Q will be the same, but in the third column, if P and Q both are true, you will get true. If one is true and the other one is false, you will get true. P is false, Q is true, you will get true. If both P and Q are false, you will be getting false. Okay. Here, only if P and Q are false, you will be getting false. Otherwise, all the truth values are true. Third logical connective is conditional. The other name for conditional is implication. If two statements are combined by using the connective if then it is called as conditional or implication. It is denoted by P implies Q. It is read as P implies Q if P then Q. For example, if there is no cool breeze, then the night is hot. Here, let P be the statement there is no cool breeze and Q be the statement the night is hot. Hence, the solution is P implies Q. That means if there is no cool breeze, then the night is hot. Now coming to the truth table for conditional, here only for if P is true and Q is false, P implies Q is false, for all other conditions the truth value is true. The fourth logical connective is biconditional. The other name for biconditional is double implication. If two statements are combined using the logical connective if and only if, then it is called as biconditional. It's denoted by P if and only if Q, read as P biconditional Q, P if and only if Q. Let us see some example. Price increases if and only if the demand falls. Here let P be price increases and Q is demand falls. Hence the solution is P if and only if Q. So the answer is price increases if and only if the demand falls. The truth table for biconditional is as follows. Here when both P and Q are true, the answer is true, and when both P and Q are false, the answer is true. For all other conditions, the truth value is false. And the last logical connective is negation of a statement. The connective word not operates on only one statement. It forms a new statement which has a meaning opposite to that of the given statement. Means in all other four logical connectives, we used two statements, but here we will be using only one statement. When negation is applied, the meaning of the statement becomes opposite to that of the given statement. Okay, it is denoted by negation P. It is read as negation P. For example, Rome is in Italy. Here we have only one statement, so we will be using only P. Let P denotes Rome is in Italy. Solution. What will be the negation of P? Rome is not in Italy. Hence, just apply a negation mark. So the answer is hence P. And the truth table for negation is, it will be having only two columns. In the first column we will be writing small p, and in the second column we will be writing negation P. Okay. If P is true, negation P will be false. If P is false, the negation P will be true. Okay, so now we studied all the logical connectives in a detailed way. Okay, hope everyone understood this video. We will see in the next video. Thank you.